is for uh, the people who are asking how to join 51 Talk. So they have 51 Talk. So if you're an applicant, your journey will be first. You will or you need to pass the interview. So you showcase here your communication skill, teaching qualification, and your well-equipped home office setup. So the second one is the pre-orientation service. So here you will join a briefing in a suitable environment. You will follow the dress code, ensure that your webcam and your headset is working properly. Okay, the third one is the NTT. So the NTT means a new teacher training, right? So we will be having a training. After the NTT, you will have the teaching demo. So this is the critical moment. So the teaching demo, you will nail your 25 minutes mock demo lesson by showing your energy and while paying attention to your pronunciation. So my pronunciation is not that very good, but pwede naman yun. Sa 5-1 talk. Okay. Okay, so you can try. Okay? And the fifth is onboarding. So on our onboarding, you're almost there. So you will attend the system navigation training and ensure all your requirements are completed and submitted. Okay, you will need a 2 valid ID, an NBI clearance, TESOL certificate, and I think you also need a diploma. Okay, so here in 51 Talk, they need a college graduate. Okay, and the last one is your launching. Okay, in your launching, you will have your my page. Okay, so officially after launching, you can be a teacher in 51 Talk. So you will open your schedule. So here in 51 Talk, you will choose your schedule. So me, I choose at night. Okay, the peak hours. So it's 7:30 to 9. I open my peak hours, or I open my slot at 7:30 to 9 p.m. Okay, so come on, join me.